Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to give you my review of Sqribble, which is an ebook creation software. Now, I've written a lot of books and reports, and I've used pretty much everything that's out there. Sqribble takes it far and beyond what anyone else does. It comes with these templates, which are drag and drop. You pick the one that you want, depending on your niche. Once you're in there, you can either import your Word document, or you can copy and paste. I typically copy and paste because I like to have a little bit more control of the formatting. You can drag and drop while you're in there. If you want a picture in your book, all you have to do is there is a place where you can go and type in a keyword, and it will give you a ton of different pictures, and you pick the one you want, and they're all copyright free. And it goes instantly into your book. This will take your books to a whole nother level because the formatting is just so beautiful. In the past, I've had to hire people to do the formatting for me, and it's expensive. Once you get this, you can either do it yourself, and it's easy, easy, or you can hire someone for a couple bucks an hour and have them do it for you. At the end of the day, you're going to have a book that you can be proud of because it's going to look beautiful. And that's my review of this Sqribble. Click the link below. Get it today. It is amazing.